Barbara Itungo, also known as Barbie, revealed that her husband, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu alias Bobi Wine, becomes restless when she's pregnant. Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi agamba nti ye bw'abeera ng'ali lubuto mwami we omukulu Robert Kyagulanyi tawummula, era ayongerako n'agamba nti Barbie ono, who has 4 children with the musician turned politicians, said that she always suffers multiple health problems whenever she's pregnant, so it scares her husband. If it was the type that gets pregnant and just gives birth, like how some women do, I would have like 10 children, but I usually get issues with pregnancies. Bobi doesn't get out of Kampala when I'm pregnant. He can't get out of the country. Even work within the country, he doesn't travel. If he's going to sleep over, she said while appearing on NTV Uganda 6 years ago. He has to wash me, take care of me in the morning, clean the bedroom, monitor how the kids have gone to school. He suffers a lot. I would want to go through it. I don't Bobi Wine's children with Barbie are Solomon Kampala, Nyanzi, Shalom Namagembe, Shadrach Shiling Mbogo, and Subi Shine Nakai. On August 28th, they celebrated their 11th wedding anniversary, and they had amazing things to say about each other. Bobi Wine said, "Dear Barbie Kyagulanyi, it's been such an honor being married to you. I don't imagine a better companion. May this, our 11th wedding anniversary, bring you sweet memories of our love story. I love you." Barbie said, "My love, I can't describe in words how much you've loved me. You've been there for me and provided all forms of protection. My do or die. I can't tell you the kind of prayers I've been dedicating to you." The couple met when Wines was at Makerere University while Barbie was in senior 6 at Bweranyang Girls School Secondary School.
For you're the rib of my rib, flesh of my flesh, love of my life, I take thee forever. Baby, this is not just a song to you, it's a promise that I will stick to you, be good to you, true to you.